Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Q2 of the biweekly contest 126. Mark elements on the way by performing queries. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this problem. And yeah, join me on Discord. Anyway, so this one, it's still just a simulation. It's just do what they tell you. The thing about this that should raise light bulbs or whatever you want to raise is the repeated smallest value. As soon as I saw that, I was like, okay, you need some sort of heap, and you have to keep track of these things. And that's really the entire problem. You just have to keep track of things and keep it small. And yeah, and this is the way that I did it with a heap, right? First, I put all the I put the number, the value, and the index into heap. Technically, the tie breaking on the index is not necessary because we only care about the sum. And if you have to choose between two or multiple twos, it doesn't matter which one you choose. The sum is only, if you only choose one of them, you only get affected by one of them. So it doesn't matter, but it just gives us a place to kind of pop later. But yeah, for each query, if it's not marked, then we mark it, but we also subtract it from the total. So we only do the total once, right? And then we do the k query where you get the k smallest. So we keep on doing this, and we only subtract 1 from k if it's not marked. So then we mark it, subtract from total, and we while k is greater than 0, and also we have stuff that's unmarked. So if everything's marked, then you're done anyway. And then you just append the total, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, this is going to be n log n because we have a heap, we put everything inside, and yeah, and this is also okay, n log n plus q log n. Yeah, because this is all of q, right? Or the q number of queries. So this is going to be all of n. You will also say n plus q log n, right? Time, and all of, I guess, n plus q space, right? Even though this is while loop here, keeping in mind that we only, am I right on this one? Give me a second on it. I guess, this is a little bit off. Well, I guess that's dominated by it's taken account in the other n log n, but basically, maybe I didn't. Maybe the better way to say this is actually, I think the tighter bound is actually this. I think that's where I'm struggling with. So this is n log n and q, n log n because of all the heaps, and q because they're the q queries. You could say that within the q queries there are a lot of multiple heaps, right? Pops, but of course the heap can have at most n entry, so that means that you can at most pop n times. So this is why the summation of this of all the queries, the maximum of that is going to be n log n, which of course we already have. So other than that, it's going to be q. So actually the tighter bound should be n log n plus q. My apologies for kind of working that way through. I mean, either way, it's going to be fast enough for this problem, so that's why I didn't I didn't actually realize that query is going to be less than n anyway. So maybe you could say that if q is less than n, you could take it out. But I just want to be more precise. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, you could watch me solve it live in the contest now. Very slow on that one. The mark caves item. Zero index. don't feel so well, to be honest, but. $8307. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Let me know what you think about this problem. Leave a comment. I'll see you later and take care. Bye bye.